Hello everyone, my name is Amir Merchant. I am a licensed immigration advisor for New Zealand and a former migration agent for Australia, currently based in Auckland. On this channel, I share practical guidance on visa processes, immigration pathways, and related topics to help you make informed decisions. If you are unsure about your visa options or planning your next step, consider subscribing and enabling notifications so you stay updated with the latest developments. Before continuing, please review the legal disclaimer provided in the comment section of this video. Now, let us go over an important update from Immigration New Zealand that affects visa processing order and the parent category residence visa. On the 10th of July 2025, Immigration New Zealand released Amendment Circular 2025-23, introducing changes to the order in which visa applications are processed and the management of the parent category cap. This may sound technical, but in reality, it directly affects how long you wait and whether your application is prioritized. In this video, I will explain this in simple terms and what it means for you. Let us start with the big picture. There are two main areas of change. The first is processing order rules, and the second is updates to the parent category. Together, these changes affect who gets processed first and how parent category applications are managed. The general rule remains that applications are processed in lodgement date order. In simple terms, applications submitted earlier are usually processed earlier. However, there are now more exceptions and prioritization rules. Immigration New Zealand now has greater flexibility in how applications are processed. They can group applications by similar characteristics and prioritize them accordingly. These characteristics may include occupation, employer, sector, completeness of documents, or the type of visa. In practical terms, this means your application may be processed faster or slower depending on which group it falls into. Processing is no longer strictly based on a simple first-come, first-served system. Certain categories are now clearly prioritized. For skilled residence applications, priority may be given to roles on the green list Tier 1 high-income applicants earning around 3 times the median wage, and skilled migrant applicants with strong profiles. For family residence applications, priority may be given to partnership and dependent child applications. For temporary work visas under the accredited employer work visa system, priority may be given where the job is on the green list. Now let us move to the parent category, which is a key part of this update. Previously, the parent category had a quota system with 2,000 places allocated to the queued pool and 500 places allocated to the ballot pool. This structure has now been removed. The reason for this change is that the queued pool has largely been cleared, except for certain applicants who were allowed to resubmit their expressions of interest. Under the new system, there is a total of 2,500 approvals per year. This replaces the earlier split quota system. Another important change is that the cap now aligns with the financial year, which ends on the 30th of June. Although the quota split has been removed, applications are still divided into two cohorts. Cohort 1 consists of applicants from the previous queued pool, and Cohort 2 consists of applicants from the ballot pool. Each cohort is processed in lodgement order. To understand the process, applicants first submit an expression of interest, which enters a pool. If selected, they receive an invitation to apply, and then they submit their residence application. Once invited, applicants must submit their application within 4 months. So what does all of this mean in practice? For parent category applicants, the system is now more streamlined. The annual cap is clearer at 2,500 approvals, and processing depends on your cohort and the timing of your application. For general visa applicants, processing has become more flexible, and priority depends on factors such as job type, visa category, and how complete the application is. Let us look at a practical example. If two applicants submit their applications on the same day, and one is applying under a green list role while the other is in a standard role, the green list applicant may be processed faster. One important point to understand is that waiting times may now be less predictable because of grouping and prioritization. Even similar applications may be processed at different speeds. This reflects a broader shift in how Immigration New Zealand operates. The system is moving from a queue-based model to a priority-based model. This is a significant operational change. From a practical perspective, applicants should ensure that their applications are complete, aligned with priority categories where possible, avoid delays in documentation, and understand which processing group they may fall into. In summary, processing is no longer strictly first in, first out. Priority categories now play a larger role, and the parent category has been simplified with an annual cap of 2,500 approvals. This update may appear subtle, but it has a direct impact on waiting times and overall application strategy. We hope you have found this information useful. If you would like personalized immigration advice based on your situation, you can reach us round the clock by calling or sending a text message on our WhatsApp mobile number +642217860007, also provided in the comment section of this video, and we will get in touch with you as soon as possible. If you found this update helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. We will be back again with another interesting update very soon. Thank you for watching.